mẹ nước mắm style. Nước mắm style. Vietnamese food is like the best wherever you go. Coffee is like the crazy cafe soda is the mucho. Your mommy, daddy, brother all wish they was the uncle. Do the dance, dance, jiggle, jiggle. Mother asshole man, we do the dance and the romancing. Mother asshole man, so watch out for the spicy, spicy. Mother asshole man, do they get a good grade on your test? Mother asshole man, disco dancing man. I like to dancing to stay the healthy. I exercise, yeah. Why you surprised? No, I do the push up and then the sit up. Do the one, go, and then the two, go, and then the three, four. Put the egg roll in your mouth, 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 mouse. Đậu mẹ nước mắm style. Nước mắm style. Đậu mẹ nước mắm style. Nước mắm style. Đậu mẹ nước mắm style. Hey, mother asshole. Đậu mẹ nước mắm style. Hey, mother asshole. Đậu mẹ nước mắm style. Mother Parker, you know this song is a Korean.
You stupid Vietnamese try to copy the Korean?
How dare you try to steal a swagger of Korean?
Newsflash, dirty Asian, not Korean.
Mother Parker man, we have the style to make you smile.
Mother Parker man, we are the beautiful man.
Mother Parker man, we are the #1 man.
Mother Parker man, very handsome man.
I know you want me, I am so sassy. I know, yo, let's give it so.
Yo, I'm like a tiger up in the jungle. Like to roar, I like to roar.
Like a kimchi in a bottle, so special. Oh, 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 oh.
Hoppa handsome style.
Handsome style.
Hoppa handsome style.
Handsome style.
Hoppa handsome style.
Hey, Mother Parker.
Hoppa handsome style.
Hey, Mother Parker.
Hoppa handsome
We're
style.
Asian too. You're not the only dude. They said we all Chinese, so what the hell you want to do? Dirty Asian here. I think he's maybe right.
There's no little pie because we look alike.
Đậu mẹ nước mắm style. Hey, mother asshole. Đậu mẹ nước mắm style. Hey, mother Parker. Hoppa handsome style. Hey, mother Parker. Thanks for watching. I hope that put a big smile on your face. Subscribe because every Sunday we got a video popping up, just like the one that you just saw. And if you didn't know, we have a bloopers channel right here where you can see the making of